To test Azure SQL performance tuning, start by understanding the key concepts of database performance and the tools available in Azure. The primary goal is to optimize database performance, ensuring efficient use of resources and fast query execution. Begin by monitoring your database using Azure Monitor, which provides real-time insights into performance metrics such as CPU usage, memory usage, and query performance. This helps identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement. Next, use the Query Performance Insight tool to analyze query performance and identify long-running queries. This tool provides detailed information on query execution time, CPU usage, and memory usage, allowing you to pinpoint queries that require optimization. To optimize queries, use the Query Store, which provides a history of query plans and performance metrics. This allows you to compare query performance before and after making changes, ensuring that optimizations have a positive impact. Another essential tool is the Database Advisor, which analyzes database configuration and provides recommendations for improvement. This includes suggestions for indexing, statistics, and query optimization. When testing performance tuning, it is essential to follow best practices such as testing in a non-production environment, using realistic workloads, and monitoring performance metrics. This ensures that optimizations do not introduce unintended consequences and provides a clear understanding of the impact of changes. Additionally, consider using automated testing tools such as Azure DevOps to streamline the testing process and ensure consistent results. These tools allow you to create automated tests, run them regularly, and track performance over time. By following these steps and using the tools available in Azure, you can effectively test and optimize the performance of your Azure SQL database, ensuring it runs efficiently and effectively. Remember to continually monitor performance and make adjustments as needed to ensure optimal database performance.